Crispy, golden, and bursting with flavor, these carrot fries are next level delicious. We hope you have all the ingredients ready.
Preheat the oven to 220 Celsius.
Peel the carrots and trim the root and ends. Cut the carrot into French fry shape. Into a mixing bowl, add the carrot, cornflour, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt,
olive oil. Mix well.
add the Parmesan cheese, then mix well. Transfer the carrots to a baking sheet.
Spread them out in a single layer.
Bake in the oven 18 to 22 minutes, or air fryer for 16 to 22 minutes. For the dipping sauce, add the lemon juice to mayonnaise and hot sauce to mix well.
Fresh out of the oven. Garnish with parsley and serve with the dipping sauce.
Crunch meets great. Turn carrots into your new favorite fries. One bite, you'll never look at carrots the same way. These fries are that good? Bet you've never had carrots like this. Crispy, salty, and addictive.